Good morning, good day, same as usual. It's another day today. It's happy Thursday, happy weekend, nationwide and worldwide. Now we have new carpet here in the kitchen because it's cold already. So, no, this is nice carpet, very clean because it's new. That's why, so same as usual, I'm here in the kitchen and said what I said that it's same daily routine of the school this. And now it's Thursday, so tomorrow Friday weekends na, and then it's time to prepare na my cooking. I finished na to boil the eggs for the breakfast ng sisi, and I finished also to heat the white rice, and I make my rice now. I drink water. I drink milk because it's good. That's what I do. I have already this one to pour this one. Okay. Look, my attire is same as usual. There is no different about me with this one. My attire is clean. I have to clean the bottom so that it's the right time of protection. But now it's same as usual. Preparing and cooking. My breakfast. Not breakfast, may share pala. Ay, naku. Talaga naman as in. Ganito lang ang buhay. That's what I do here. Okay. Nagano pa ako na. Once again, thank you. Thank you that round robin na ako. Thank you again. Thank you once again. I say very, very thankful. Thank you that you notice my simply, as in always simply show a video, because that is only my daily routine here. That's why I'm working here in Baghdad as a housemaid, a nanny, a cleaner. That's all. That's what I do. Nationwide, worldwide, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And it's Merry Christmas on, because it's the same, it's month of December already. So that is the next na, waiting for the Christmas. Okay. Shout out to all nationwide, worldwide. Shout out to all watching of my YouTube channel, of my simple videos. I wish that you subscribe also to me if you are watching. I'm just knocking to the bottom of your heart stick. To subscribe if you are watching, to subscribe. If you notice in the social media, in the YouTube, you can watch and you can subscribe to my channel. Okay? And I wish everything will be okay in your daily life, sa buong mundo, sa bawat countries, kung where are you, your worker, your stay here, your residence here, any person, ini-nationalize. Pero hindi siya masusunog. Mahina muna yung volume ng ano. Okay. Kasi nga hindi pa ano. Mamaya iinit-init na natin. Five pa naman din. Ano kasi dahil hindi ko pa masyadong ano. Okay. Hello, how are you? Hi, hello, how do you do? I'm just playing. Look my kitchen here. Ganito lang din ang kitchen ko talaga every morning. Kaya salted. Ayun, pamunas, nakasablik pa yung pamunas ko dito. Kasi doon ko yan nilalagay para ano. Pinunasan ko ka na kasi yan doon. Kaya ito. Ano natin konti yung amoy. Apoy. Yung fire. Still, my pronunciation is not very good. It's not exactly and perfect pronunciation. Because if I'm talking my teeth and my what's that, everything is go out already. This one, Sarah, it's for her dinner. It's good na nga, this one. I don't know what's the name that one, I forgot. Ay, nako. The red, I don't know, I forgot. Hindi yun muna. All of this. Yun muna, this. Ayan ba siya, ayan na. Kung sa Pilipinas pa parang obi. Ayan siya. Yung red na ano ko nga siya minsan sa ginagawa yan ni Madam Salad. Parang salad ba? Kasi parang salad siya. Kasi I always prepare this one for the Lancy Sisi for the score because that's what she eat quickly and she like it. So that is the important na lang. Always chicken because some food I don't know. As of what I'm telling to you, since talaga that I am the one who take care of Sisi. I am the nanny of Sisi from when she is small. Before, yeah, good because whatever I food I make blending the food, even rice. Before I make it only. I'm not mistaken, she is 4 months on that time when I come here in Baghdad, Iraq, from Dubai. So that's why it's easy. I can make fruits, blending. I make blending ba? Blender. So she drink, it's make juice until 3 years old. But when she start already 4 years old, ayan na, she choose na. Sometimes she said na I don't like it, I don't want the smell. Until now. So what I do, so what she want to eat only now, what she want to choose, that's what I'm doing. And sometimes I'm telling always fruits, banana, apple, strawberry. The strawberry, it depends if the strawberry is sweet, but it's like little bit hamod, she don't want also. She don't like hamod daw. Yeah, that's why. So maybe when she will become 6, 7 until big, she can eat na the different fruits and what they are eating as Iraqi, as a Baghdad women's people like that one that we eat. And I'm only thankful, good health, that is the most important for me to Celine. Always just to aware that she will become, I don't want that she will become Little bit still not bitter. Because so that's why she is still sleepy, so now I'm cooking. And after that one, that's the next. When I finish and Celine go to the school na, I fix everything for Celine. I can start cleaning na. It's almost done na siya. Almost done na. Not too much, what's that? Red as red or so that she can eat. She can eat good. With the rice. Before I off. Okay, once again, thank you for the time, thank you for the patience and more for my video, for my video. Now this simply, I'm not preparing my, that's because I have no eyebrow. Ay, naku. Drawing, with my eyebrow now because I make it quickly. So, okay. And little bit, okay. So once again, thank you. God bless us all. More power each of us wherever we are. Which different countries that we are also. So keep safe lagi. Keep safe and God bless. That's all nice carpet, okay? And bye.